Page 10, Walkin On Down. On page 10, they're introducing you to a rhythmic pattern called walking bass. That's what they call it. It's pretty simple. We're in the key of C major here, and it's taking a 5-finger position somewhere, and you're using all the notes except the 4th finger. Over and over and over and over. It kind of walks. It's a, it could be quarter notes, half notes, eighth notes, or whatever. That's the pattern. And what we're going to do with Walking On Down is you're going to play that pattern because you're going to learn it, I guess. You just need to be aware of it. It's a pattern you can use when you're improvising and you need something to do with the left hand. You can use this in some cases. Comes in handy. At the bottom of the page there's a note if you're using an electronic piano or electronic keyboard where you can put the register for low brass or slat brass, whatever that is. And the rhythm is rock or jazz, and play along with the rhythm with a trap set or something, some drums. Now I don't have a lot more to talk about it other than that, so let's go ahead and try this out on Walking On Down. It's for left hand only. I'll give us 4 counts since it's in 4/4 time, and let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Rest. Repeat. Rest. 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 Now, there's an acoustic jamming part at the bottom of the page, so what I want to do is play that. Now, while I play that, you do Walking On Down. This is a little different because in this one, the acoustic jamming part actually gets the melody, and you get the accompaniment. Normally, it's switched, where the acoustic jamming is the accompaniment, the bass part, and you would get the melody, but here we're switching it around. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we'll play this together. Remember to repeat it. Now keep in mind that my rhythm is different than yours. I'm playing a bunch of eighth notes and quarter notes, and you got half notes, so you're just going to have to count and pay attention to your rhythm. 1, 2, and ready, and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest.